Well, it's been snowing very hard here at home since about 7:30 this morning. As you can see, we're pretty deep out there. Our tree is really covered. I've moved my truck, which you probably can't see, down the driveway a little bit further so I don't get stuck back here. And the car is good till spring, I guess. It's amazing how much snow we're getting. I just can't believe it. Take a look out back. Deck is covered. And let's see, over here, everything. The barn, can't see the trampoline, but it's covered too. It's a mess. Hopefully this is the last one of the season. And that's all for now.